Welcome to Graphite India Limited Impervious Equipment Division. We are located in Nashik city of Maharashtra state, which is around 180 kilometers from state capital Mumbai. We are a part of Graphite India Limited Group, pioneer in carbon and graphite products in India, with a group turnover of around 4,000 crores Indian rupees. We have pioneered the manufacturing graphite equipment in India. We handle corrosion problems in chemicals and other process industries. The factory premises is spread over a large area, having all required facilities for manufacturing purpose and working employees like canteen, recreation, and temple. We are an ISO 9001 certified company and our manufacturing facilities are ASME U-Stamp approved. Our all activities like design, marketing, manufacturing, QA and after-sales services are housed under one roof, ensuring prompt support to customer at all stages from pre-ordering to post-order stages and after-sales services. We have a dedicated team of 250 professionals having expertise in different functional areas provide most optimized and cost-effective solutions to customer. Our engineering team undertakes thermal process and mechanical designs and validates equipment using latest softwares like HTRI, AutoCAD, PV Elite, CADWorks, and other in-house developed softwares. With a combination of experienced professionals and young minds, Graphite India is a one-stop solution for your all heat and mass transfer operations. We use synthetic graphite raw material manufactured by extrusion method. Our sister concern units located at Satpur MIDC and Durgapur, West Bengal supply us special grade graphite raw material for equipment, ensure long life and trouble-free operations of equipment. The graphite raw material is used in the form of round or rectangular bars or tube shapes of suitable standard sizes. We have world-class manufacturing facilities including CNC machines, impregnation tanks, autoclaves, special purpose leak testing fixtures, vertical tube assembly structure. The machine shop includes vertical and horizontal bandsaw cutting machines, hydraulic press turning machine center, These machines ensure precision in machined components for perfect fitting in the equipment. CNC vertical turning machines, deep holes drilling machines. We ensure careful handling of our graphite components during various activities to avoid breakages and safety of employees. The machine components are inspected and tested at all stages of manufacturing to ensure correctness of quality. The blocks and various graphite machine components for equipment are subjected to impregnation process to make it suitable for chemical process applications. We have separate tanks for phenolic and PTFE resin impregnation process and curing autoclaves. We have developed special testing fixtures for checking leakages after impregnation. We carry out 100% checking of all components for leaks and only accepted items are further taken for assembly of equipment. We use various standard sizes tubes for manufacture of shell and tube type heat exchangers. We have developed special purpose automatic machines for tube end machining and hydro testing. These tubes are sometimes provided with carbon fiber for enhancing rupture strength. Tubes are hydro tested for pressure up to 15 to 20 bar pressure. Since the tubes and tube sheets are in graphite material, the tubes are fixed to tube sheets by cementing process. The cementing of large number of tubes with tube sheets after inserting baffles is very skilled jobs. To ensure proper assembly of tubes with TS assembly in vertical position is preferred. We follow stringent quality assurance activities as per customer approved QAP. We maintain all master gauges and calibrate our all instruments regularly to maintain accuracy. The graphite raw material is subjected to permeability test to ensure porosity within normal limits and suitability for further use. The assembled equipment are subjected to final internal inspection before calling customer for pre-dispatch inspection and acceptance tests. Finally, accepted equipment are further cleaned, painted and packed before cleared for dispatches. We provide adequate packing and fixed tilt shock watches to ensure safe transit of equipment before reaching to customer sites. For overseas sites, we provide seaworthy packing with fumigation and N2 purging, etc. Graphite India Limited, pioneer in carbon and graphite products.